Hey everyone, it's Tina Marie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I pick my hair into an afro. So let's just hop right into it. So my hair right now is a old braid and curl. It was really cute when I first did it, so I may have to record a video on how I did it because right now it's not looking too cute. So I have my snappy in. I'm just gonna take that out. And I am going to section my hair into 4 different parts. I actually need to wash my hair, and I am gonna wash my hair tonight. I'm gonna do an updated wash day routine since I have recolored my hair. So that video should be up in a few days. Make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and make sure you hit the notifications bell so you won't miss that video or any other video. So I am just going to part this. And I'm just taking my little duck clips and putting that there. All right, so I'm gonna start with this section of hair, and I'm just gonna spritz a little bit of leave-in conditioner on it. You can definitely use water, but the water is gonna shrink my hair up a lot. So I just wanna use something light to rehydrate it and not necessarily shrink it. So I'm gonna be using my Diva by Cindy leave-in detangling conditioner, and I'm just gonna do a few spritz. And then I'm just going to detangle this section starting from the very bottom and then working my way up. So if you need to make this process easier, this half, you could split it into 2 and it will just make it easier for you to do. I'm just making sure that it's all detangled, and I am actually gonna put this into 2 different parts. And I'm gonna be using my Cream of Nature Moisture Recovery Leave-In Curl Milk. I have never used this product or this brand before, so if you have used this, definitely let me know what you think about it. As soon as I seen curl milk, I was like, I need to try it because I wanted something really creamy and that would just leave my hair moisturized. So let's see how it works. I'm not going to use a lot. I'm just going to use about this much. And I'm just gonna put this all over my hair. And I'm focusing on the ends because that is the oldest and driest parts. I like that shine that it's giving it though, okay. And I'm just gonna take my white tooth comb that on through, and then I'm just gonna twist it. And I'm just gonna take the other section that I had, put this on my hair, focus on the ends, and then comb it out. So what I will say about this product so far is that I love how creamy it is. Super duper creamy, and I like that. All right, so I'm going to continue to do this for the rest of my hair. All right. So I am all done. I love how my twists look. Even though I'm about to take them out, I love how they look. And mind you, I would not do this part if my hair was already stretched and detangled, but it was not. So this is what I do for when I want to do a big afro and my hair is not stretched or anything like that. I do these twists and get ready to prep my hair for my fro. Okay, so now I am just going to take the twist out. And as you can see, my hair wasn't completely dry from the product that I put on it, but that's absolutely fine with me. But if you do want your hair to be completely and fully dry, give yourself time for your hair to dry. Now you can definitely use a pick to pick your hair out. I have just a regular pick with the metal teeth or whatever you want to call it, and I cannot find my plastic one. I would rather use the plastic one because the metal one, it just pulls my hair more and I don't like that, so I prefer to use my plastic one. But since I didn't have it, I'm just using a wide tooth comb, and just to let y'all know that y'all can use a wide tooth comb for this. And I'm just going to continue to comb it out until I get my desired look, and then it's all about shaping it. All right, y'all. Woo! My fro is shaped so weird. It's like a light bulb, but I like it. So my hair is definitely shrunken, especially in the back, because when I took out my twists, they were still a little damp. It does take a long time for my hair to dry because I have low porosity and it just takes forever. But I needed to detangle my hair so bad. I needed to detangle it. So that was definitely necessary. But if you were to let your hair dry completely, and if your hair was already detangled and stretched, then you know you'll be absolutely fine. You'll still do the same process. So yeah, I'm liking the photo. I'm liking it. And if you don't want your fro sticking up, then, you know, all you gotta do is push it down. My fro is smaller this way, but I still love how it looks. And it's really all in like shaping it how you want it. So that's like the key thing here. This side really don't want to cooperate with me though. I ain't feeling that. And this is the final results. So let me know which fro you like better. I like this fro. Well, I like both, so it really don't matter to me. But let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all on the next video.